Introduction to AI-powered Excel visualizations.
Transforming Excel data into interactive charts no longer requires manual effort or coding skills. With the rise of AI tools, anyone can automatically generate insightful visualizations directly from their spreadsheets. These new solutions streamline reporting, highlight trends, and save valuable time, making complex data instantly more understandable.
How AI tools work with Excel.
AI-powered platforms connect with your Excel files and analyze the data using advanced algorithms. They identify patterns, suggest the best chart types, and generate dashboards in seconds. Most popular tools offer drag-and-drop interfaces or simple upload options, turning raw data into meaningful visuals with minimal user input.
Popular AI tools for Excel visualization.
Several user-friendly AI tools are available to boost your Excel reports. Examples include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau Public, and Zoho Analytics. These platforms can import your Excel data and automatically create interactive charts and dashboards. No coding experience required. Many of these tools offer free trial versions to get started quickly.
Creating visualizations step by step.
Begin by preparing your Excel spreadsheet. Next, upload the file or connect it to your chosen AI visualization tool. The platform will analyze your data and suggest relevant visualizations. You can often customize or refine these suggestions with just a few clicks, making the process both simple and flexible.
Benefits and considerations.
Automating data visualization saves time, reduces errors, and makes reports easier to understand. AI tools offer recommended visuals based on your data structure. However, always review suggestions critically, as the best chart depends on your specific goals. No coding is needed, but clear data formatting leads to the best results.
Take your Excel visualizations further.
AI-driven tools are changing the way we present Excel data. With no coding required, anyone can create interactive and insightful charts in minutes. Explore a few different platforms to find the best fit for your needs and enjoy more impactful reports with less manual work.